Okay, so if you played CAKEWARS recently, you might have noticed that they added a sound to when a player captures a beacon, and it sounds something kind of like this. Yeah, pretty annoying, right? Luckily, there's a solution to that. You can go ahead and turn it off in the settings, and then you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down all the way to audio, and then scroll down again to the hostile creatures. And from there, you're going to want to turn it down to either 0 or 1, whatever you prefer to play at. I prefer 1 just so I can barely hear it in the background. But if you want it all the way off, you can go ahead and turn it off. Alright, and then that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys want, I'm going to go ahead and show you a clip of me playing with it at 100 and then me playing with it at 1. Just to give you guys an idea of like what it sounds like. Alright, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully this really helped you guys. It definitely helped me. Go ahead, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the Mineplex Discord, or go ahead and leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer you. Thank you guys so much for everything. Peace.